Hi, have you ever asked yourself how you can properly start your stuff with ROS2 control? This is what we are doing this week with our control box, so let's check it out. We have here our control box connected here on the KUKA robot, the big one here. Here on the display you can see that control box is awaiting robot description, which we will send from our ROS laptop. So just with one command you can start your scenario, and soon here we will see that our robot is initialized already. So we can see an output from ROS2 control that the robot is in unconfigured state. Then we need to start our controllers. So first the joint state broadcaster. This takes a bit of time, but doesn't matter because this is everything non-real-time specific. Here in output you can see the joint state broadcaster started. The same thing we do with joint trajectory controller, which we are first putting in an active state. So this is recommended always for everybody. And now at the end we end up having following situation: trajectory controller in active state, joint state broadcaster in active state, and our hardware is still unconfigured because we didn't connect to it because of the real-time capabilities. So now we are activating our robot, and we will get here on the Control X output that we are waiting for robot connection, so waiting for RSI connection, which we will now start on pinch pendant. And now you see everything is green and we are real-time controlling KUKA robot. Of course there is another important thing to do, and this is activation of controllers. So you can see one controller is active and the second controller is activated, so everything is active. So always check this output from controller manager. Now we are simply controlling the robot using control box down there. You see it's simply through ROS sending test script and going to control box for real time.